Then how we make the form are just like artificial form, and we just link the data to save the particular content on the master list. Okay. So firstly, just we have to make the list, and after that we just link the macro with this particular content for transfer or save the particular data on the another location. So first we just right here and click on this particular section like this and make the color. Select here and choose any color for the form formation. Here we choose like this, and after that just type some content here. For example, roll number, name, class, Hindi, English, maths, and science, right? And ST. So these are the form content of our form content to just make the color like this. Okay, and after that just select this particular cell and just set the color white, and we can also set the outline of this particular block by using all border. Just click on all border, and after that just select this cell and click on merge. It will merge the cell and just type here student record. Student record, right? And after that, here we do some format for this. Just click on bold and increase the size of the cell like this. Okay. And after that, just select this content and copy it and add some sheet. Just click on this plus button, or you can use shift plus F11. You will get the new sheet like this, and right click here, and here's the option is paste spatial. When you click on paste spatial, you will get the transpose option. When you click on transpose option and click on OK, you will get the data in row wise, okay, in column wise, as you copied in the row wise, right? And after that, just set the macro. The record will automatically store in this particular sheet. How is it possible? So firstly, just start with the insert function, and here we just make a button. As I told you, just click on this and make a button like this, right? And after that, you can also set the color from this option, and you can set, after setting the color, we can give the effect by using the bevel property and give the effect like this, and increase the size of this button, and you can decrease the font size of button, and right click here and add some text. Just click on edit text, just type here, click to save, right? If some texts are overlapping here, just increase the size of the button, and you can also format the font by using the format property as you see here. You'll give the white color for this, and you can use bold option to make the bold, right? After this, if you want to just modify the shape, just click here. Here we have an option by which we can set the outline of this text like this, right? So here we choose any color for this button. Here we choose what color? White color. Wait, just click on this and choose white. Right?
Yes, sir.
And after that, just click here and make centralize by using Ctrl plus C. It will centralize. After this, just start with the recording. Firstly, we have to activate the developer option. Just click on file menu, and here we have an option like more option, and here we choose what option, or you can directly go with that option. Just right click here. Here we have option that is customized. You can just click on this. You will get all the content of the menu bar. Just check it, developer option, and click on OK. You will get the developer menu item here, right? And after that, we want to just record a particular macro for this particular event. So firstly, just place your cursor anywhere in the cell of the sheet, and after that, click on record macro by using this, and you can also do the process by using here, that is the record macro. So we do this process or start this process by using record macro here. Just type the name, just type here feed data, or you can use here save data. Here space is not allowed here, that's why we don't use the space, and you can also give the shortcut key for this particular event. So here we use what? F. Control Shift plus F is a shortcut key to run this macro. Just click on OK, and after that you will get macro is starting here. Just feed the data. Just do this. Firstly, just again repeat the steps. Just stop recording and just see here. Firstly, just type your data of your saved content. Just type here a data like this. Amita class 10. And after entering the data, you start the macro, right? Understood? So firstly, just
Yes,
keep
sir.
like this, and you just make the centralize by using the option like this. And click on this. It comes like this and hold all the content like this. And here we choose this cell, make centralize, and bold it. Right? And after this,
Yes, sir.
just click here cursor and click on where view and go to the macro option and just record macro. Just type here feed data, right? And place your cursor here and just
So,
press a shortcut key like this, Control plus K, and click on OK. Macro will start here. So after this, just select this content and copy it from this location, Control plus C, right? And move on the where
yes, sir.
to, and just place your cursor here and use the control button and to move at a downward position of the last cell, the last row, just press control and downward arrow. You will move on the last row of your sheet. Just see there. 10,48,576. And if you want to just move on the first column, just use left arrow by holding the control button. Use left arrow. Okay, you just move here the first cell, first column of your data, and just press control and upward arrow. You just move on the where first cell of your sheet, and after that just click on developer option, and here we use what? Use as a relative reference. Use as a relative references. Just click here.
Reference.
This, just move on the next cell and just remove this reference. Just click here. After pressing here, just deactivate this process and just right click here. And here we use what? Paste spatial option and click on transpose and click on OK. You will get it like this, right? And we have to move on again sheet 1 and just delete all the content by using the delete button and press your cursor on the first cell of this data and go to the stop recording macro either here, or you can also go through this option stop recording, right? After clicking this,
So,
stop and running this macro will stop. And after that, we have to assign this macro with this particular button. So just place your cursor, right cursor on this particular section, and here we use what? Assign macro. Assign macro, just click here
macro.
and save data or feed data. So here we use feed data because the last macro is our feed data, not a save data. So here we use what? Feed data by first macro, that is macro. And click on OK, right? And after that, just type here some data like this, A02, and press enter to move on the next cell and just type Arun, class 10, and marks like this. Clear? And after that, just click here. The data will save on the next sheet. Just see there. It comes at the bottom of this. So by this option, we will just enter the data from this particular form, right? If you want to just, it will not show after clicking on saving. So we have to change some code here. Just right click here and click on where. Just select it and click on where developer option, and here we have option that is Visual Basic. Just click on Visual Basic, right? Just click on Visual Basic. You will get the code of the macro, or you can also go through this option by using view and click on macro, view macro, and just right click on this and click on edit macro. You will move on this particular section, right? And here we have to add some data to a particular workbook. So here we use what? Just type here worksheet height to hide worksheet. Just click here, just type here sheets and start the bracket and use the name of the sheet, that is sheet 1 or sheet 2. Which sheet we have to hide? That is sheet 2. Just check it and press here visible equal to true, right? And press enter. And after that, go to the last cell, and we have to hide this particular sheet by entering the data. After entering the data, just type here sheets and use what? Write the sheet name, that is sheet 2, and double import, bracket close, and dot visible is equal to false, right? Entering this.
Yes,
if you want to just add some message after saving the data, just click on this. We will get the message by using MSG box, just type here MSG box and start the bracket and just type here your data saved successfully, right? It will, this message will also show. So firstly we have to save this macro, just click on Control plus S, okay, and it will give some option to just click on desktop and just type the file name. This is my macro, your first file. And here we use what? Here we use the second option, that is, see there. Second option, Excel macro enabled workbook. It comes in there, save as type. Just click on this. And here we use what? Excel macro enabled
workbook.
Click on save. And after this, just press Alt plus Q to move on the sheet like this. And when we just type it, you see there, here sheet 2 is appearing here. But when we click to save, it will hide. Why? Because we have set some command for this particular event. Just type here A03 and again just type Sonu and this class and these are marks, right? And when you click on this, you see there a message comes like your data saved successfully. When we click on OK, you see there the sheet 2 is also hidden here. So how can we see the data? Here we again just type the data, just like A04 and just type the name A Sanjay or just type here Sanjay, right? And class this and this is the marks, right? And when you click on this, click to save, and click on OK. Let's check the data is saved or not. So just click on where? Click on home option and here we have option that is format option. Just click on this and here is option is hide unhide. Just click on this and here we have option that is unhide sheet. Just click here and this is our hide sheet here and just select this and click on OK. You will get the hidden sheet like this. You see that the large data is Sanjay, that's why it comes like that. And again we just enter the data like this A05, it will automatically hide again Mamta, right? Class this is the Hindi like this. Right, and click on save. The data will automatically save and just see that the sheet 2 is hiding, right? That is the step by which we can set the macro with Visual Basic coding, okay? And if you want to just protect the workbook, just see there, whenever you want to just add this workbook, just click on this, it will add your sheet new sheet. But we don't want to add the sheet after filling the form. We can't do anything after the production. So firstly, we do the production by using the Visual Basic coding. Again, just click on where? View option and here we use what? Macro, view macro and select the feed data and click on where? Edit option. And here we add some command here. Just place your cursor and enter. Just type here what? Just type here active worksheet, workbook. Active workbook. Unprotected or unprotect and press space and give some password for this. Here we just add password that is hello, right? And after this press enter and again go to the last cell of this. Just click here and just type here what? Just again type here active workbook dot protect space and just type the password that is hello. The password should remain same at the top and bottom. And just press again Control plus S. You will save the data and after saving the data, just press Alt plus Q to move on the sheet like this. And when we click here, we unable to add a new sheet like this. Okay. After doing the save, click to save option. See there. Here we just type data A06 Mamta and class this the marks, right? And click to save. Just click here. What happened? The data will saved here, and here the production is also activated here. Why? Because we have used the workbook production, and we can't add any sheet from this option, right? We don't use also the sheet to insert the sheet, right? So this is the option by which we can set the password for the workbook And how can we remove and see the part, see the saved content? Just click on review option, and here we have option that is protect workbook. Just click here, just type the password hello, and we can able to see the data. Just see there. When you type your password, you will protect here, and just click on where home, and click on format, hide and hide sheet, and click on hide sheet, and select it and click on OK. You will get the sheet like this and all the data with this. And when we again do the save, click on save, it will also automatically activate on the each and every sheet of your workbook, right? So that is all about of the today class. Okay.